Step 1. Get a new home. Step 2. Explore your new home. It's kinda empty in here. I should buy furniture and appliances. Step 3. Find furniture and appliances. What? It's so expensive I should look more. Huh. It's just a table. What the... Step 4. Every appliances and furniture are expensive. Try to go on Ikea. Step 5. Go to Ikea. Yes. Finally I got the cheapest appliances now What? Oh no, I got closed on. I need to find the exit. Step 6. You found an employee. That means you're safe. And tell him where's the exit. Hey sir, do you know where's the exit?
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Yes sir, I know the store is closed. But do you where's the exit?
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
What? Why are you still saying that?
Step 7. He's sorry to encourage you.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit